Hey everyone, so today I am making one of my favorite anti-inflammatory smoothies. It's a turmeric kale mango banana smoothie. You'll need 2 cups of coconut water, 1 handful of kale, 1/4 cup of frozen mangoes, 1 banana, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the button, the bell, subscribe. Thank you. And turn on your notifications so that way you know when my latest YouTube video is on the platform. Add more coconut water if it's too thick or if it's not blending.